How you guys doing? I'm back with a new video, and today I'm about to show you how to use your automatically high beams on your Toyota Corolla. This one is a 2017. It's a little bit different from the Toyota RAV4 and the Toyota Camry that they have, because the way they put it is a little bit confused. I'm gonna show you today, and you guys may be confused about it too, so I would like you guys to teach you that, and let's get it. Hi guys, so let's get into the video. You see right now I always keep it automatically, so I don't have to worry about it. But if you would like to use your high beams, your automatically high beam, you only push it, and when you push it you see the green line lighting up on your dash. Right now it's not doing anything because it's clear outside, so it's not that dark. But if you would like to manually do it, you have to turn it up all the way to the top. You see how the blue lights light up on the tablet? That's how you know it is on, and you can see outside that it's on. You're gonna put it back to automatically. That's how basically it works. I was a little bit confused at first, but then I figured out because it's different from the RAV4 that I did have, and also the Camry. So I thought that could be helpful for some people out there that would like to know and how to use it or understand it. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Thank you so much. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. A new video is coming up. Spring season is coming, so a lot of videos coming out too. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Thank you so much.